Kung pareho mo ako, naniniwala ako ng network marketing na isang negosyo na pwedeng magpabago sa takbo ng ating buhay. I even consider it as an asset dahil sa leverage profit na pwede mong makuha dito. Kaya lang, nakakalito ang mga strategy na napag-aaralan natin at napapatanong tayo, applicable pa ba ito sa digital era? Pagod ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na hataw na walang resulta? Nauumay ka na ba sa mga hype at walang substance sa strategiya? Naiinis ka na ba sa payo ni upline na, invite lang ng invite ha, okay ka na? Stay tuned sa content na to kung saan ikikwento ko sa'yo lahat ng insight and tactics na ginagamit ko na swak sa panahon natin ngayon. This is Gerard Claudio and this is Pinoy MLM Tactics.
Hello! Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kung part-timer ka na network marketer or kung meron ka lang limited na oras na network marketing, ito ang isang activity na hindi dapat mawawala. Maraming mga network marketers na akala nila kailangan mag full-time sila para i-grow ang network marketing business nila. Pero that is far from the actual kasi of course karamihan ng makakagawa ng network marketing ay mga part-timers, lalo na may trabaho or stay-at-home parent, may negosyo na isasabay yung network marketing. Ngayon, kaya ba talagang gawin ang network marketing ng 2 o 3 oras? Ngayon, depende sa goal mo, pero kung sasabihin mo sa akin na kaya, actually kaya siya. Pero syempre, don't expect to have a big result, pero uusad siya dapat. So, ganito kasi nangyayari sa network marketing. Akala ng karamihan na kailangan may 16 hours ka para kayo network marketing. Ngayon, kung talagang malakihan ang goal mo, of course, kailangan mo ng oras. Pero let's say for example, halimbawa, nagsimula ka sa network marketing, tapos may 2 oras ka sa isang araw. Ano dapat yung activity na meron ka sa 2 oras na yun? Ito lang dapat ang activity mo sa 2 oras na yun. For 2 hours of your network marketing business, okay? 2 oras sa isang araw. Wala ka ibang gagawin. Kung hindi, either kumausap ng prospect, ng potential prospect para sa business mo, ino-offer or offering your network marketing opportunity, or offering your product. That's it. Kaya maniwala ka sa akin, kaya mo nang gawin ng 2 oras yan. So imagine mo kung gagawin mo siya araw-araw, maybe 6 times a week, you have 12 hours in a week na pag na-network. So may 2 oras lang, no? Uusad ang network marketing business mo. Hindi kasing bilis kung 16 hours mo gagawin. Pero kung 2 oras na uninterrupted, na focus ka, na yun lang yung gagawin mo, maghahanap ka na ng customer, maghahanap ka ng potential business partner, uusad ang network, gagalaw kahit 1 inch o 1 centimeter ang network marketing business mo. Ang problema sa karamihan, kung tatanungin kita, ano yung ginawa mo kahapon? O sabihin natin, Sunday kahapon, no? O anong ginawa mo nung Saturday? Ilan yung kanausap mo nung Friday? Ilan yung kanausap mo nung Thursday? Ilan yung kanausap mo nung Wednesday? Ilan yung kanausap mo nung Tuesday? Ilan yung kanausap mo nung Monday? Ilan yung in-approach mo nung Saturday? The next, last Saturday. Naku, yung bibig sabihin. So before tayo mag-isip na nadi-discourage tayo na walang nangyayari sa network marketing business natin, matanong kita, anong ginawa mo kahapon? Anong ginawa mo ng isang araw? At ano ang plano mong gagawin bukas? Maliwanag ba? Kasi, ito lang isang bagay, no? Kung hindi mo kayang magawa ng 2 oras ang network marketing business mo, what made you think na magiging productive ka ng full-time na 10 to 16 hours ka? Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? Type nyo nga clear kung maliwanag sinasabi ko. Type nyo nga clear. Kasi ang dami kasing nagne-network na akala na they need more time. Guys, you don't need more time. You just need more focus on productive activities. And there's no other productive activity other than you reaching out, talking to people. That's it. And you talking to people has so many ways. Either you do it one-on-one, like your person-to-person approach, which is the most basic. Wala ka masyadong gastos doon, lalo na sa ads, and walang technicalities, walang perang involved doon. Time, sweat, equity yung kailangan mo doon. Or you create content that telling people, ito yung business ko or yung opportunity ko in a very strategic way. Kaya go to pinoynetworker.org, tinuro ko yan doon. It's only 899 guys. Marami kayong matututunan doon. Okay, pinoynetworker.org. Anyway, or you run ads. And as you run ads, kailangan marunong ka kung paano gawin talaga yung ads. There's so many network marketers na akala nila ang sikreto, magic, may ads. Guys, wala pong magic sa pag-ads, totoo lang. In fact, I often teach this to my team na You learn the basics of reaching out and communication first before you run ads. Kasi kahit nakapag-run ka na ads, may kipag-usap ka pa rin naman. Tama? Maliwanag ba? Type nyo nga clear kung maliwanag sinasabi ko. So, ibig sabihin, ang gusto ko i-point out tsaka emphasize sa atin dito is, yes, kaya siyang gawin, pero kailangan tutok na activities. Ang dami kasi nagna-network marketing na kung ano nung pinagagagawa. They do so many minor things in this business. Like for example, ang dami mga ina-attend na meeting. Wala ko nothing against meeting. Tama ba? Lalo na yung mga, I get that. Like, example nga, may meeting kami. In the next few minutes, may meeting kami. Pero kailangan guys, productive yung mangyayari. Kailangan may production ka. Hindi tawag na production. Ibig sabihin may napoproduce ka. Either yung isang cold market na turn mo into warm, or yung warm mo na invite mo, or meron kang na-invite na for products, or the follow-up yung product mo. Anything that produces leads, anything that bringing closer to sign up or pay in or getting people interested of what you do, that's you should do as a network marketer. Clear po ba? Maliwanag po ba? Kaya kung tatanungin kita last week, if you're gonna be if you're just gonna be honest, kung magiging honest ka lang, ilan ang kinausap mo last week? Think about that. Ilan ang kinausap mo last week? Doesn't matter saan mo siya nakuha, maybe through social media, maybe one-on-one, or maybe through ads. Ilan ang kinausap mo last week? Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan ilagay dito. I just want you to think about that. Isipin nyo lang yung tanong na yon. Isipin nyo lang yung tanong na yon. Kaya bang gawin ng dalawang oras? As long as yung 2 oras, uninterrupted, dire-diretso, wala kang distraction, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-reach out ka, mag-focus ka, maybe you answer inquiries from your page or content, or maybe maybe kung ikaw yung tipo ng network marketer na nag-face-to-face ka, maybe have a conversation with a face-to-face client. You do that every single day in 6 days straight, uusad na network marketing business mo. Ang problema nga sa atin, wala talaga tayong ginagawa guys, sa totoo lang. Sino nakaka-relate doon? Type mo relate. Marivet Milan, Sanrio Kurat, Fepi Togo, magandang araw, kamusta kayo? Kamusta? Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning sa may chat, sa may comment ko, natututo kayo. Type nyo learning, tag nyo mga teammates dito, and click mo ang share if share mo to sa mga groups natin nyo. Are you learning? Tama? And I hope this is a reminder. You don't need more time. You need more focus. Kung ang pinag-uusapan lang naman natin is dagdag 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Tama, hindi tayo nag-uusap dito ng 1,000,000 kada buwan. You don't need more of time. Kaya guys, huwag kayong nagmamadaling mag full time. Maniwala kayo sa akin. I've been there and I thought all the while ang pag full time ay isang grabe, full time ako. People don't know that having full time has more responsibility. Kaya hindi ako nagpapa full time kung wala ka pang organization. Gawin mo ng business mo ng part time kasi what made you think na kaya mong gawin to ng 8 oras kung hindi mo kayang gawin ng 2 oras? Anong ginawa mo ng 2 oras? Ilan yung conversations meron ka? How many conversations that you have? How many meetups that you have? How many connections that you did? Kasi if you will just be pay attention to that number, kahit 2 oras yan ang gawin mo sa isang araw, uusad, hindi ko sinabing yayaman ka, super yaman. Of course, sinasabi nila, kailangan mag full time ka kasi walang yumayaman sa pagpa-part time. Totoo, pero uusad ka sa part time. And starting point is part-time. Tama? Well, there are few exceptions of people na talagang matatagal loob, malakas sa loob. Pero ako talaga, ang suggestion ko sa inyo, you do it part-time. And you do it, okay, ganito lang muna. Prove to yourself na productive ka ng 2 oras. Gawin mo siya ng 6 na buwan na straight. 6 months straight. Prove to yourself na super productive ka ng 2 oras. Every day, hindi mo titigil yung 2 oras hanggang wala kang either nakakausap, either na move na product, either na move na service, either na napapakita yung webinar niyo, presentation niyo, or whatever. Anything that brings a prospect to you telling them. Kasi yan, you got to understand ang mga tao hindi alam ang offer mo. Wag kang mag-a-assume na alam ng mga tao yung offer mo. Hindi nila alam. So, ibig sabihin, yun yung trabaho mo. Kasi hindi mo na trabaho mag-create ng products. Hindi mo na trabaho mag-create ng pay plan. Hindi mo na trabaho mag-create ng kung ano mang pin-provide ng company nyo. Ang trabaho mo lang, i-connect ang offer mo sa mga client or customer or prospect na nangangailangan ka makita, yun yung gawin mo araw-araw. Think about that. Think about that. Do I make sense? Type nyo nga yes. Type nyo nga yes. Chris Tolentino, magandang araw. Kamusta? Luz Bimindan Nerias, CM Perilla. Tama? Type nyo yes. Kung agree kayo sinasabi ko. So, sinasabi ko to ngayon kasi prove to yourself that you can do it for 2 hours. So ngayon, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, in the next few minutes, I'm gonna end this video. Pero think about that. 2 hours every day. Gerald, wala akong time. May 2 hours ka sigurado ako. May 2 hours ka sigurado ako. Then that's the time that you consider, kapag nakita mong dedicated ka na 2 oras mo sa araw-araw, tapos nagkakaroon ka na ng result, then consider increasing it to 4 hours. Increasing it to 6 hours, increasing it to 8 hours. Alam niyo yung magiging concern ng karamihan? Most people has this concern na hindi ko alam kung saan ako hanap ng kakausapin. Absolutely. Yun ang nagiging concern ng karamihan. Or hindi ka lang talaga willing mag-approach. Hindi ka willing mag-create ng content. Hindi ka willing kaya yung iba, akala nila kasi kaya nilang bayaran lahat eh. Guys, pasensya na pero hindi mo kayang bayaran lahat. People, and if you're gonna pay so much money with walang assurance, hindi yun yung paraan paano mag-business. When you start any business, you have to lower the cost of running the business. So when you do network marketing, don't jump into like sabihin mo na alam mo yun, gagastos ako ng 1 million sa business ko. I mean, can you just do it within as lower the cost as you can and then expand from that? Agree ba kayo doon? Type nyo nga agree. Type nyo nga agree. So sinasabi ko to kasi you got to learn how to, and people thought they can just pay anything in network marketing. Like, sige, lalagay ko yung anak ko sa left ko, lalagay ko yung anak ko sa right ko, lalagay ko yung nanay ko, tatay ko, pipayin ko sila lahat para yumaman ako sa network marketing. Hindi ganun na nangyayari. Hindi, sorry to say this, like, kung gano'n ang gagawin mo, kasi ayaw mong gumawa ng routine. You don't want to learn the routine. You don't want to learn how to do right conversations. You don't want to do the right thing in network marketing. Mahirapan tayo dyan. Tama? Right? So, kaya bang gawin ng 2 oras? Kayang-kaya. Hindi ko sinabi na yayaman ka sa 2 oras, pero uusad ang network marketing business mo ng 2 oras. Uusad ang network marketing business mo. Basta in 2 hours, focused, uninterrupted, wala kang ibang gagawin. All you have to do is reach out, approach people. If not, content mixed with reaching out, that's the strategy. Okay? Natututo ba? Agree ba? Kaya yung iba, akala ng iba mag-a-ads ako, kaya ngayon bibighingi. Sorry to say this, ang daming network marketers na sa scam sa pag-a-ads. Sino sa inyo dito, hiningihan ka ng pera pang ads, tapos wala naman nangyari. Kasi akala natin may shortcut. Walang magic sa ads, guys. Sorry to say this, some of you, nagsusunog lang kayo ng pera sa ads. Just saying it. Kung walang tamang platform to capture the leads, walang tamang platform to capture your prospect, and then, alam mo yun, minsan naghahatian pa, tapos hindi mo alam kung nasaan na yung leads. Ikaw naman nagbayad. Alam mo yung ganun? Because people doesn't have any idea what they're doing. Well, they don't know. They don't have any single idea what they're doing. And yun ang suggestion ko sa inyo. You do it 2 hours a day. Focus uninterrupted conversations with people. That's network marketing. That's 1-on-1. If you want to do content, and extract people that you can talk about. You can have a conversation sa content, or run ads if you're ready, kung alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Tama? But ang mahalaga, every single day, the goal is to go out there so that people will know na may ino-offer ka. Maliwanag ba? Ngayon, may dynamics po akong tinuturo kung paano ka nag-o-offer sa social media para hindi ka annoying na yung buong social media mo para na lang mukha na lang ng produkto ninyo. Tama? May mga ganun nakikita mo yung cover photo, cover mo ay, yung gagawa nito, di ba? Tapos, bakit wala akong sale? Paano ka may sale? Mukha kang Divisoria. Tama? So, go to pinoynetworker.org if you want to learn that. pinoynetworker.org. Okay? May natututunan ba kayo, guys? I hope this is something valuable. Yun na naman sa akin, if this is something that makes you think, nakakapag-isip ka, oo nga, no? Tama eh. Makes sense. Ano yung ginagawa mo sa 2 oras? Uwi ka, example, uwi ka na alas 5, dating ka ng bahay mo na alas 7, kain ka, 7:30 to 9:30, wala ka ibang gagawin kundi magne-network ka. Hindi ka, dami kasing pinapagawa sa mga network marketers eh. Kaya meron kaming isa na parang halos araw-araw na lang nagtitraining. Ano yun? Paano pa makaka-network yan kung puro na lang yung training pa gagawin mo dyan? Tama, labas dun. I'm not technically lalabas ka, no? Pero if you're going to go offline, then go offline, lalabas ka talaga. Pero, you get my point? Like, you have, your goal is to go out there, either through online or maybe face-to-face, so that people will know na may business ka because they don't know. And that's the reason bakit wala tayong sale. The reason bakit wala tayong sale, the reason bakit walang bumibili sa atin, kasi hindi alam ng tao may ni-offer ka. Or you just don't know how to follow through. You just don't know how to reach out to people. Maraming dahilan, but technically, they don't know. So never assume na alam nila. So make it known to them. Go to pinoynetworker.org. pinoynetworker.org. Okay? So, yun na naman for me, guys. I hope may natututunan kayo dito. Click mong share. Tag nyo mga teammates nyo dito. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye. Kung nag-pay-in ka sa network marketing at marami na pangakong system o support sa'yo, pero wala kang natanggap nung nag-pay-in ka na, pakinggan mo ang video na to. Hindi mo kasalanan kung nalilito ka ngayon. Hindi mo rin kasalanan kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Pero ang payo ko, move forward ka na at hanapan mo na ang sagot ng negosyo mo. Kaya ako ginawa ang course na ito, ang Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. Ang course na ito ay design na tulungan ka para manalo sa network marketing, lalo na sa online at gamit ang internet. Marami akong strategy na tinuro dito na unique lang dito sa course. All for 899 pesos only. Lifetime na ang access mo at one-time na payment. Click the link below to know more. See you sa community.